If you're looking to quickly access your important notes from your iPhone's home screen, adding a Note widget can be a useful solution. Here's how to add Note app's widget to your home screen for easy access. So without wasting time, let's get started. Solution 1, using the Notes widget. Come to your home screen where you want to add the Notes widget. Press and hold an empty space on your home screen until the app starts to jiggle. Tap the edit icon in the top left corner. Tap Add Widget. Scroll down and find Notes in the list of available widgets. Tap on Notes, and you'll see different widget sizes: small, medium, or large. Choose the widget size that best fits your needs and tap Add Widget after placing it on your home screen. Tap Done in the top right corner to stop the apps from jiggling. Solution 2, pinning a specific note. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Find the specific note you want to pin to your home screen. Tap and hold the note, then select Pin Note from the options that appear. While this won't add it directly to the home screen, it will keep it at the top of your notes list for easy access through the widget. By following these methods, you can quickly access your notes directly from your home screen, making it more convenient to stay organized and productive. Do you still have questions? Please let me know in the comments.